Sara's first day at school. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Sara. Are you ready for your first day of school?
I think so. I'm a little nervous.
That's completely okay. It's normal to feel that way on the first day. What are you excited about?
I'm excited to meet my new teacher and make new friends.
That sounds wonderful. I'm sure you'll have a great time. If you need anything, just raise your hand and ask for help.
Thanks, Mom. I'll remember that.
Before you go, would you like to have a quick breakfast? Maybe some toast or fruit to give you energy for your day?
Sure, I'd love some toast. Can I have a little bit of jam on it?
Of course. Let me get that ready for you. And don't forget to bring your lunchbox and water bottle. I'm so proud of you. I know you're going to do amazing things today.
Thanks, Mom. I'll tell you all about it when I get home.
I can't wait to hear all about it. Have a fantastic first day, sweetheart.
I will. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Sara. Have a wonderful day at school.